Today I will share a recipe for cold cucumber. The ingredients we need are peanuts, chili peppers, minced garlic. After cleaning the cucumber, cut off both ends and split it in the middle and smash them and cut them diagonally and put them in a container. Add minced garlic and add some salt, millet, peppers. Pour in vinegar. Add a little soy sauce and a little steamed fish soy sauce. Add 2 spoons of self-made chili oil. Stir it evenly with chopsticks. After mixing, add peanuts and mix them evenly again. Then directly put it on the plate. To make this cold cucumber, it's better to put the cucumber in the fridge to chill them first, so it will be more crispy and cold. A very delicious cold dish is ready. I hope you all